Mender, open source, automotive-grade, over-the-air OTA updates. This 3-minute demo will cover over-the-air updates in the automotive industry using signal lights as an example. The setup. Let's review our demo environment. Signal lights in a vehicle. Every column represents a vehicle. Every vehicle has the following components. The display of the light controller. This shows the current firmware version of the light controller. The light controller. This controls the vehicle's signal light. The vehicle light. This is the signal light. For demo purposes, the different blinking patterns represent different firmware versions. The electronic control unit, or ECU. This controls the vehicle's infotainment display and over-the-air update process. The infotainment display. This represents an infotainment center in a vehicle. Pre-update behavior. First, let's review the current state of the vehicles before we deploy an over-the-air update. These switches turn the vehicle on or off. A blinking light means the vehicle is in motion. Updates will only be accepted once the vehicle is stopped. The first and last vehicles are running firmware system 2.0, the outdated version. The vehicle in the middle is running firmware system 3.0, the latest version. Moving to the Mender interface, here are the 3 vehicles displayed. 2 vehicles are running the outdated release, version 2.0. 1 vehicle is running the latest release, version 3.0. To indicate the different versions, the infotainment graphics and blinking patterns are different for version 2.0 compared to version 3.0. The ideal state is to have all vehicles running the latest version, version 3.0. Deploy an update using Mender. This is how Mender deploys an over-the-air update to the vehicles. First, create a version 3.0 release in the Mender interface. To create a deployment, select a device group to target. Select a start time. Select a rollout pattern. Configure the update steps and select the number of update attempts. Then create your deployment. The firmware update is being deployed to all the vehicles in the group. The vehicle already on the version 3.0 release will automatically skip the update. Mender makes compliance with industry standards and regulations easy. For example, UNECE Regulation 156 requires a user to confirm the update before installing it, as indicated in the demo. In this case, Mender delivers a consistent all-or-nothing update. All vehicle components are updated as a whole set or rolled back. The light controller is blinking, indicating that this light controller is being updated. Notice the blinking infotainment and light controller displays. This indicates the vehicles are restarted. Now, the light infotainment and light controller displays are solid, indicating all vehicles have been updated successfully. Post-update behavior. The infotainment now shows Release 3.0 is running in all the vehicles. The same blinking pattern shows that Release 3.0 is now running in all the vehicles. The light controller display also shows Release 3.0 is now running in all the vehicles. Remotely update, configure, troubleshoot, and monitor your vehicles at scale. Mender enables you to innovate, differentiate, and compete in the next generation software-centered automotive marketplace.